Hi, how you doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel. Today I will be making breakfast for lunch and dinner. Yes, bow, bow, bow. So yes, I will be making breakfast for lunch and dinner. Okay, so here we have some grits, some grits. We have butter. We have some Cajun sausages, and we have some eggs and bread. So let's get with it. Okay, you guys, let's start on making our country butter grits. We're gonna start off with 6 cups of water. 1, 2, 3. We added the 6 cups of water. We're gonna bring this to a boil, and then we're gonna add the salt and the grits. Okay, the water is boiling, and we're going to add the grits. We want 1.5 cups of grits. And just pour that slowly into the boiling water. 1/2. I'm gonna stir that. Three tablespoons of butter. We're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And a little milk. A little milk, that's all, just a little. Give it that creamy taste. That butter is what's gonna give it that creamy, buttery flavor. You guys, look what I got from the TikTok shop. Y'all look, this is so cute. It's the everything maker. Everything maker, everything cooker, because baby, we cooking that breakfast on this today. Look, y'all. Fire! It's an electric everything maker. It's ceramic non-stick where you can cook the eggs, but I'm still gonna add a little butter to mine. Then it's a plug. You just plug it in, wait for the green light to come on, and get to cooking. For my breakfast on here, I'm gonna do the eggs, I'm gonna do the toast, and I'm going to do the sausages. I also want to try pizza in this. Look. So y'all, next time, be on the lookout for that video. I will be doing a pizza on here. But yes, it's an electric. You got a plug to it. And we're gonna test this out on the cooking of the breakfast. Bow, 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 bow. So check the description box below for the information where you can go get you one from the TikTok shop. The white light is on, and now we're just waiting for the green light. In the meanwhile, we will prepare. Push that over a little. Prepare the sausages. We're gonna put those on first, and then we're gonna let those sausages cook for about, I'll say, 5 minutes to 10 before we cook the eggs, because y'all know the eggs not gonna take long at all. So we're gonna do some split down the middle, because that's how my man like it. Down the middle. So we're gonna cut in little small circles. Okay, you guys, the light is green. It's funny, the top part is just warm. It's not even hot. If you raise it up, baby, you feel the heat, honey. You feel the heat. And we're gonna start off with the sausages, right? Ooh, I can't wait to make pizza in this. Like homemade, I have some store-bought pizza, but I would like to do homemade crust, a homemade pizza. Okay, and we're gonna close it up, and we're gonna cook it for 5 minutes, and we'll be back to check on it. The everything maker. Ooh, this thing cooking a little fast. Look at that, y'all. Look. guys, we are back now. I want to test out the toast. I want to see how long it will take to toast up some very thin sliced bread, right? Bow, 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 bow. Okay, the green light is on. And y'all see it's smoking and hot. Okay, we're gonna test it out without butter on the bread, because I love my toast buttered before it start cooking, right? So we're gonna test that out. Now this is the hot part. Remember, the front is the hottest part. So we put 2 there. Now we're getting ready to rub a little butter. Ooh. Now that's the butter toast. With the bread with the butter on it. Okay. And let's see, right? Let's close it up. We'll be back in 1 minute. Let's check it out. Woo, it's hot. Okay, that got a little brown mark. It could go for a little bit longer. But if you like it just like that, perfect. Now that's the toast without the butter. Woo, hot. Okay, we'll be back in another minute. Oh, perfect. Oh, yes, y'all, look at that. Perfect. We're just gonna wipe it clean, wipe all these crumbs, because next we are getting ready to do the eggs, sunny side up, requested by my husband. They say non-stick. Don't fail me, non-stick. All-purpose season. Oh, bow, 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 bow. Diamond dust. And we're gonna close it up and be back in 3 minutes. Look at the eggs, y'all. Oh yeah, baby, they done. They done. I'm gonna unplug it. So while I'm fixing his plate. So we got the grits, sausages, toast. Woo, look at them butter grits, creamy. Now who like their grits a little stiff? I know it's a lot of people don't care for stiff grits, and it's a lot of people that care for them. So let me know what type are you? You a stiff grits or are you a runny grits or loose? Let's say it like that. And let's add his egg. It's not hot. It's warm, but not hot. Ooh, I should have pulled the top off. But yes, babe. James lunch. Fix another plate, which is mine. So I'm gonna try it with you guys. Oh, I made a mess, but that's okay. I'm gonna try it with you all. A little bow bow. Ooh, yeah. I'm done. I am done, y'all. Y'all see it. I used the everything maker. They should have called it everything cook maker, because I did the sausage on there. I did the toast. I did the eggs, sunny side up eggs, even though I kind of overcooked the eggs because I closed the top. But hey, it's still going to be good. And I used my bow Diamond Dash seasoning. Yeah, let's try it. I have some grapefruit wedges. I have the grits. I have the eggs. I have the sausage. I have the toast. I have some coffee. I have some butter. Let's try it, baby. Amen. Woo! Let's see if we're going to get this egg running. I know I overcooked it. Ooh. It kind of ooey gooey. That's okay. Dang. We're going to try that again with that egg. I overcooked it. I closed that top up. Ooh. Ooh, I'm mad we don't got the egg running. That's okay. I like my grits to be buttery, buttery. I'm mad about the egg. Let's see if the other one. Ooh, now this one got a ooey gooey. Look at that center. Oh, baby, that's gonna taste like butter. Butter, baby. Mmm. 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 Okay, let's try the sausages, the toast. Perfect. Mmm. Mmm. And the sausages. Mmm. There you go. Yeah, when I eat my breakfast, I like to mix. Now look, sausage and grits and egg. I like to mix it all up. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.